Hey everyone, welcome back. So today is the Triceratops video. This is the latest one from Mattel's Legacy Collection. It is the real feel Triceratops. Has a nice real feel. It has soft back. There you go. But no lights though. So the only thing is they didn't paint the tongue. It's still green. They should have painted that like pinkish, make it look like a real tongue. And we have here's the one of the classic Triceratops that I'm not even sure anymore. If you scan it, it'll tell you which. This could be a Primal attack or Dino Rivals or from the original Jurassic World toy line. So I'm not sure anymore. But if you, like I said, if you scan it, it'll tell you. This looks like a Walmart exclusive as well. It has a battle damage thing. Okay, rare color. All right, so you know why I brought this guys out, because of the survival wild boar Triceratops. So we're gonna check it out and really complete all of these. Now I'm on the hunt for the strike attacks actually. Can't wait for the Dunkless to use. Mutodon. What was the other one? It comes with a Uxisaurus as well, I guess. Another repack, and then the, what was the other one? A Dromaeosaurus, something like that. But anyways, let's unbox it. Okay. Alright. Is that it? Okay, that was it. Now we need the tail. It is really nice sealed over there. There. Okay. It's a short, really short tail. Wow. Okay, won't go in. Are we doing it wrong? Oh no. Is it broken? Are you serious it's broken? Are you serious? It's loose. Well, anyways. I don't know what happened. Are you kidding me? Okay, I'll just glue that. That's okay. But anyways, let's check the sound part. So it has an orange light. The head glows. It goes all the way in the horns. The mouth is wide open now. It's not articulated. The jaws are not articulated. It has red eyes because of the mutation, I guess. And then the frills are actually spiky now. That's the first time they did a Triceratops like this. Unlike the Epic Evolution, there's like a switch here that two horns comes out here. So it is a wild boar, so it's not that big. So there you go. It's not a this is really small Triceratops compared to the wild boar. And then our Legacy Collection, it's way bigger. Yeah. But this is really unique though, the one they did the spikes in the frill. But I wish they had a articulated jaw though. It would look better, not like this. It's like gapping wide open. They didn't even paint the teeth. It's all pink. Yeah, they should have painted it like beige or light brown. But anyways, yeah. So there you go, and the tail is a mess up. Maybe I'll just glue this. It's no biggie. We just glue it, then paint it a little bit. Yeah. So let's check it out. It is a new sculpt because it says 2026 right there. So it is a new toy, new sculpt. So yeah, there you have it for today, guys. Okay, so hopefully the next video will be the strike attacks from survival. All our mutations, mutated dinosaurs. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a good evening again. And take good care. See ya. Also, I noticed that the horns are different now. It's like sort of going upwards compared to traditional Triceratops horns. Look at them, it's actually the same. It is a Triceratops. Yep.